Mommy and Me, the Listers, a STEM outreach organization created to teach little people to do big things. They took YouTube by storm to expose scholars to STEM education, spark a love for learning, and share their magic with the world. Led by an award-winning veteran educator, Crystal Lister. A toddler teacher, Chrissy Lister. And the smallest scientist, Kinsley Lister. They present to you the STEM Magicians, uncovering the science behind magic, sharing with you the catalyst of chemistry, the physics of flight, and much more. Mommy and Me, the Listers, inspires the next generation of scientists and change makers.